Welcome to day 47 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's Python tutorial, we'll be solving a programming problem where we calculate a score based on a given distance. This beginner-friendly Python exercise will help you sharpen your coding skills and understand conditional statements in Python. In this Python program, we'll read a distance m in kilometers and calculate the score based on the provided criteria. If the distance is less than or equal to 10 kilometers, the score will be equal to the distance itself. However, if the distance is greater than 10 kilometers, the score will be the sum of 10 and 3 times the difference between the distance and 10. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m. Output. The output should be a single line containing an integer that is the score. Sample. Input and output are also be given for your reference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and coding challenges.